Hi, everyone. How are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Peanut. My scientific name is Arachis hypogea. I am also known as goobers, groundnuts, ground peas, earth nut, pine pinda, monkey nut, and manila nut. I belong to the Fabaceae family, commonly known as the legume or pea family. I have a unique growth habit, with flowers forming above ground but fruiting below. The plant produces yellow, pea-like flowers on short stalks. After pollination, the flower stalk elongates, pushing the fertilized ovary underground. The peanut pod or shell develops beneath the soil. Each pod typically contains 2 or more seeds, known as peanuts. I'm not actually a nut. I am a legume, related to beans and lentils. For culinary, research and nutritional purposes, peanuts are still nuts. I require warm temperatures and well-drained soil to thrive. I am believed to be native to South America, specifically the regions that are now parts of Peru and Bolivia. China, India, United States, Nigeria and Sudan are the top producers of peanut. There are several famous types of peanuts cultivated around the world, but 4 of the most well-known are 1. Runner peanuts. Runner peanuts are one of the most common peanut varieties grown in the United States. They are known for their consistent size and shape, making them ideal for peanut butter production. Runner peanuts typically have a uniform, elongated shape with 2 small kernels per shell. 2. Spanish peanuts. Spanish peanuts are smaller and rounder in shape compared to other peanut varieties. They are known for their unique taste and high oil content, which makes them perfect for roasting. Spanish peanuts are often used in snacks like peanut brittle and roasted peanuts in their shells. 3. Valencia peanuts. Valencia peanuts are smaller in size and have 3 or more kernels per shell. They are known for their sweet flavor and are often referred to as sweet peanuts. Valencias are primarily grown in the western United States, particularly in New Mexico and Arizona. These peanuts are usually roasted and sold in the shell or as Valencia peanut butter, which has a distinctively sweet taste. 4. Virginia peanuts. Virginia peanuts are one of the largest peanut varieties, known for their large kernels and crunchy texture. Due to their larger size and exceptional taste, they are a popular choice for peanut connoisseurs. The real Tajikistan peanuts are the best-tasting peanuts available in Pakistan. Gujarat is the leading producer of peanut in India. I am rich in protein, containing around 25 grams per 100 grams, making me an excellent plant-based protein source. I provide essential amino acids and am part of a balanced diet for vegetarians and vegans. I am a good source of healthy fats, primarily monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which support your heart health. Research suggests that I may lower the risk of heart disease by improving your cholesterol levels. The high levels of arginine in me contribute to healthy blood vessels, benefiting your cardiovascular health. I am abundant in fiber, promoting your digestive health and aiding in your weight management. I'm a great source of essential vitamins, including B vitamins like niacin, folate, and B6. Niacin aids metabolism, folate supports DNA synthesis and cell growth, while B6 is crucial for brain function. Together, they promote overall health, energy production, and cognitive well-being. I contain minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, which play vital roles in maintaining your overall health. I'm loaded with antioxidants, such as resveratrol, which can help protect your cells from damage. I have a low glycemic index, which means I help regulate your blood sugar levels and reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes. I contain phytochemicals like phytosterols, which can reduce the risk of certain cancers. Consuming meat in moderation can aid in maintaining your healthy skin, thanks to my vitamin E content. I support bone health by providing calcium and magnesium. When enjoyed as part of a balanced diet, I offer a delicious and nutritious snack option, promoting your overall well-being. Peanut butter, a creamy and nutty delight, is a versatile spread loved by many. Its rich source of protein and healthy fats makes it a nutritious choice for sandwiches and snacks. George Washington Carver, a famous scientist, developed over 300 uses for peanuts. My oil is commonly used for cooking, especially in Asian cuisine. I am a popular ingredient in many cuisines, from savory to sweet. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it.